Hi, my name is Aaron Monker. I'm the owner of Pipeline Design and Engineering. We're a product development company here in the Phoenix Valley. Today I wanted to talk about our training courses. We offer one-day workshops where we talk about a variety of different things. One of them is CAD specific, teach your designers some best practices, how to build resilient CAD models. Another one is more suited towards junior level engineers, about mechanisms and hardware, kind of helping them build up this mental library that they can draw on then for future design work. But sometimes companies aren't quite ready to do the full one-day workshop. They don't want to make that commitment quite yet. So we're doing free lunch and learns for anyone that's interested. We'll come in and for about 60 minutes we'll share with you and your team an abbreviated version of one of these one-day workshops. And we promise it's not a sales pitch. We're not going to be in there trying to push you to do the one-day workshop. We're going to come in and we're going to give you something of value, something that you can start using right away. And it really is just an abbreviated version of our full one-day workshops. So we hope that you'll take us up on this and have us come over and do one of these free lunch and learns. Again, not a sales pitch, and we promise we're going to give you something of value that you can start using right away. And following that, if you're interested in learning more and having the full one-day workshop, of course, we'd be happy to do that. So if you'd like to schedule one of these lunch and learns, just give us a shout, and contact info will be at the end of the video. Thanks.